In this video, we will start converting the one expressions into another expressions. We all know that there are three types of the expressions. First is the infix, second is the prefix, and third is the postfix expression. Now, what is the task for us? That is nothing but we have to convert this infix expression into the postfix expression. For that, we have to follow some algorithmic steps and then we will try to convert infix to postfix using the stack mechanisms. Now, see what is the algorithm. This is an algorithm that is used to convert infix expression to postfix. It uses a stack. Which things it uses for this conversion? That is nothing but the stack. The stack is used to hold the operators rather than operand. Keep in mind that it is a placeholder for operators. Which are the operators? Plus, minus, into, divide, raise to, and so on. So stack only stores the operators and outputs the operand on the output device. The purpose of the stack is to reverse the order of the operators in an expression. What is the basic requirement of it? It is nothing but it is used to reverse the sequence of the operators. It also serves as a storage structure. Why stack is used? That is used for the storage purpose. So it is known as a storage structure. Since no operator can be printed until both of its operands have appeared. Means for example, what this statement says, for example, A plus B. If you have the input A, it will goes on the output device. If it is an operator, it will goes on the stack. If it is an operand, it will goes on the output device. And when both the operands will be on the output device, then this operator will be push pop from the stack and outputted on the output device. So this is the basic mechanism behind this algorithm. Now we will see in detail which are the different terms of that algorithm. For that conversion means from infix to postfix conversion, input would be the infix expression. Then what is the output? Output is nothing but the converted postfix expression. Now what we have to do while converting infix to postfix? We will perform means the machine will perform the read the input expressions from left to right and character by character means from this side to this side character by character reading will occur. For each character ch in the input stream means for example a plus b into c divided by b plus q raised to t. For example, this is the sample expression we are taking for the algorithm analysis. Now we will read each of these characters turn by turn. Now suppose the character on the stack is the operand means if your stack input is operand means this ABC or whatever, then output that character on the output device. Second, if that character is operator, operator means plus, minus, including, and so on, then we have performed some many steps or some many algorithmic patterns to evaluate this character. That is, check whether there is any operator already present in the stack or not. We have to, while we are facing the operator as an input character, then for example, this is the stack and if you are putting the plus sign, now when you have to put the operator on the stack, we all know that we have to put the operand on the output device and operator on the stack. Then if there is already any operator is present in the stack or not, we have to check this first. If there is no any operator, means stack is empty, then push your operator on the stack. If any operator is present there, then check whether the priority of a character is greater than priority of the topmost stack operators. Means for example, we all know that in divide, raise to, plus, into, plus, minus, this is the operator hierarchy. If you want to place new operator on the stack and the top of the stack is already containing the operator having the highest priority, then the priority of the character is greater than the push the character onto the stack. Means for example, this operator is minus operator and you want to push the raise to operator. Now minus operator has a less priority than raise to, so you can easily push this on stack. But if priority of the operator on the top is greater than the priority of the operator you want to push, then you have to pop all the operators and print them till the lowest priority operator is encountered or the stack become empty, and finally push your entered character into the stack. Means if the priority of the operator on this stack is greater, then push that pop that operators from the stack, and finally when the stack is empty, then insert your expressions operator onto the stack. So these are the some basic algorithmic factors related to the operators while converting the expression. Now continuing the algorithm to the next steps. If character is a left parenthesis, means for example this is open here, then push that characters onto the stack, means like this it will be pushed on the stack. If next one, that character is a closing parenthesis, means this is a right parenthesis, then pop and output tokens until a left parenthesis is pop, but do not output the left parenthesis. Means for example, the it may happen like there are things like here is the opening parenthesis, then there is a plus, minus, and closing parenthesis will, for example, into. Closing parenthesis will going to be occur. Then what you have to perform? Pop all the characters till this is not reached, but not pop this parenthesis. Okay. So these are the some basic algorithmic steps related to expression conversion from infix to postfix. Now we will take one expression and try to convert it into a postfix. One input infix expression is nothing but the p divided by q minus r into s plus t. I will solve this infix to postfix with the help of some steps. So try to concentrate on these steps. First of all, you have to take input characters, then you have to take the action, then what will be the input of the stack and what will be the output. Okay. Now first of all, what will be the input character first? We will start to scan from left to right, that is from P till T is reached. Input character is P. We know that it is an operand, so it will be going on the output device, so it will be on P. But what is the action? We are outputting it, means printing the P. Now what is the next character? Operand. Operator, that is the divide. We know that operators have the place in the stack, so it will be the push action. Now it will be push onto the stack. Output contains only P. Now what is the next? It will be the Q character. It is again operand, so print the Q. stack will be divided. Now we have to take a minus. Then minus is the operator, but we know that if stack contain already divide operator and divide has the highest priority than minus, then we have to start popping that stack elements onto the output device. So it will be like we have to perform the pop action. Stack is empty, then we have to print it on an output device, that is the PQ, and then divide operator will come. Now what is the next? That is the R. R is nothing but the operand. So it will be going to be on output device. So it will be PQ divided by R. Then star will come. Star is again operand. Then push it onto the stack. So it is a minus star. As star having the highest priority over the minus, it will remain on the stack. Then it is a PQ divided by R. Again it is a S. Then S is the operand. It will going to be on printing stage. So it will be like PQ divided by R S. Now we will write the next steps, that are next will be the plus operator. So what is it? It will going to be on now. First of all, previous stack contains minus star. Now we know that star having the highest priority than plus, then we have to pop all the operators from the stack. So what it will be? Previous output will be PQ divided by RS. Start popping means star is having the on the topmost position. So first of all, star will be on pop condition. Then again perform one pop because minus is remain there. So it is a minus. Then now perform push operations. So it will contain the plus sign on the stack. Now what is the last step? One operand will come. Then print it like PQ divided by RS into minus. Now T. What is the next task? Input string is empty. Then only stack has content plus. Then output it also on the output device. That is the PQ divided by RS plus minus into minus plus. So this is the output expression for the input string, that is the P into P divided by Q minus R into S plus T. And what is the postfix expression? PQ divided by RS into minus plus T plus. So this is the methods or mechanism to convert the infix expression into postfix. We have applied the actual algorithm for performing infix to postfix expressions. Using the same algorithm, we can convert many such infix expressions to postfix mechanisms. Thank you so much.